finished product.
Right.
But all you do is you take you can just get these online. I didn't find them at the craft store, so if you're searching for this, look online. That was your best bet.
Okay.
And so all you do is use a glue gun and put these together. And I will tell you this, it secures them together. They are locked in there. And I just use some spray paint. So whatever color you want to go for with your spray paint, you could make it more whimsical with the pink, or you could do a traditional green is what I have here.
You know, I like that green.
It's
okay, so now you want to put the ribbon on there to cover up the seam.
Yes, so to cover up the seam and make it really look like a present, you can see here. Now, crafters out there, I highly, highly, highly recommend, if you're looking for glue guns, get a glue gun with a fine tip like I have right here, because if you, by realizing this, I use a fine tip all the time when I'm using glue guns, and my glue gun recently died on me.
Okay.
You may have known that.
I was there.
You were there when it happened.
Yeah.
But so I got a glue gun to replace it, and it actually was not a fine tip, and I found out the hard way that using a fine tip makes your crafting much better. So you can see.
But I see how it can be effective in something like that when you just need a little strip.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, sure.
And so what you do is you do that on both sides.
All the way around.
And for this guy, all I did was take a smaller piece and do it underneath like
Look at that. It's already looking fantastic.
Exactly. And took another little piece of the ribbon and pop it just in the center. And that's all it takes.
And I got to tell you, that looks so good.
And it looks extremely professional. Like you would get this in a store. And I think it just really makes the setting look complete and really, actually it looks so clean because of the lines from the square napkin ring.
Like I said, it's super impressive. Now, what's also impressive are these drums.
Are they fun?
Okay, what do we start with?
Another thing, so these I also got online. These are just like the gold napkin rings. You could do a brass, you could do any kind of metallic.
Okay.
And all I did was, again, with the glue gun that has the fine tip, so you just kind of go along here and glue it all together, and you just glue it together like that. And it really connects super fast.
I like you adding the extra dimension there with both the wood ones. And,
yes, because you don't get the full effect unless it's the bigger size.
Makes it a little more substantial. I love it.
And just use some scrapbook paper to create.
You see this, everybody?
Just like that. Just get creative.
You wrap that around.
And you do. And so I have one that's already done here, but that's really all it takes is a little bit of hot glue. And I have this here. So this is just some detail that kind of sets gives it that drum type of look. So this is just some gold. I think it's sort of like almost a twine, and you just go in back and forth,
back and forth. But it sells the drum. Like in other words, you really get drum once you apply that.
Exactly.
And that's where the fine tip glue gun comes into play as well.
And just some detailing. You get this at the scrapbook section of your craft supply store, and that adds in these little details here.
Maria.
And your little holly, just to, because it's the holidays.
Little holly there too.
You have to have a little bit of
product. You would be, I'm telling you right now, everybody that sits down at a place setting that has that would be impressed with that.
I think so.
Speaking of being impressed, now we're going to move on to this fantastic napkin Christmas tree situation that you're going to teach me, and you say that I can do this.
It is a situation. So here we have our napkin. So it's folded once and then twice. So we have our square here.
Okay, so it's just folded into a square, very simple.
Okay.
Diamond formation.
Diamond formation, so the bottom is open. So you take the bottom point, and so really we're creating this sort of layering effect as we are creating our Christmas tree.
We keep doing this. We keep leaving a little bit of a space, like a layered spacing down.
Yep.
So far, it is within the realm of capabilities of me.
So we have here, and then we flip.
Okay.
Flip over.
Follow that, everybody.
And fold this side up to the top.
Okay.
And this side up to so it almost looks like a little cone.
Okay. How am I doing?
You're doing a wonderful job.
Like this?
Flip over this way, so you see there.
Come on. Oh, okay. A little off center. Is that okay?
It's okay, because we're going to fold.
Okay.
So fold there.
Okay. So now we just fold these guys up.
And the next one you fold is under.
So you fold it up.
And you fold each one under. Yes.
It's like a fold up and tuck.
And so when I was doing this, you could actually leave it as is, but I did find that if you use a paper clip to hold it, it does stand a little bit nicer. So you do that.
Very good. Very good.
And you have that right there.
I'm a step behind you, but I'm getting there.
You're getting there.
Come on, and then we flip over.
It was a race, and I won.
Well, you won easily. And not only did you win, but look, guys, look. That's pretty good. But, I did my best.
No, you did a great job. And then I just have a little ornament that I put on a popsicle stick.
Okay.
Oops, I'm just messing
But look at that. Listen, that is totally doable. Super, super cute. You are a genius. Thank you so much, Maria. These are great.
Yours is actually more centered than mine. I was going for speed.
I'm very talented. Head to hallmarkchannel.com for the full instructions. They'll all be there for you. And now I got to make a little bit of a shift here, everybody. Getting a bit serious. Did you know that lung cancer can affect non-smokers? Well, we're sharing information exactly on early detection that could absolutely save your life. Come on back.
Yeah, so important, right? Oh my God.